In this critique, students will be looking at models of work that they will be creating in this project. They are posters that are highlighting different voting methods and different aspects of the voting process. So each group was given a different poster to look at, and the first thing we did was create a graphic organizer of questions that I wanted them to analyze each poster with. Basically, what was working well, what needed improvement, what were some of the key elements, and then especially thinking back on the assignments, activities, articles we have read that would help them or were related to that topic. So that's making them think back to the own work that they've currently done. Okay, how can I use what I've done in class, for this part of the project? And so each group was given some time to kind of analyze, read through the poster and answer those questions. Then we came back together as a class and identified some of those meets expectations and exceeds expectations elements. And those are going to become part of the rubric that the students then use and I use to kind of assess their final work. One of our big focus this year has been defining expectations, so what they feel like meets expectations, what exceeds expectations, and what wouldn't meet them yet. We're all trying to hit the same requirements. An example, a current event, but how well they're able to clearly explain that element, I think, is where the range of meets and exceeds expectations comes from. So I think looking at models gives them somewhere to go, and they can talk about how they would push this well thought out poster, how they would push it even further. So they have an idea, they have an aim, a goal, and then talking through what they see, what they don't see, what they would change, gives them a sense of their own kind of path and where they're aiming for.